Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with a little Quince haul. Not a big one, just a little one, but a real good one. I was going to post this in my collective haul that I just filmed. I'll throw it up in the cards if you haven't seen it yet, but everything hadn't come yet and I was getting a little too anxious, and I felt like that haul was sufficiently big and I wanted to wear all the stuff, so I was like, I just need to do it. So this isn't a huge haul. I just picked up a couple of little bits, mostly things that had come back in stock that I wanted and are always out of stock. So I pulled the dang trigger real fast, because if there is something about me, if Quince sells it, I will be buying it on Quince. They sell wine. Like wine, also caviar I've never bought. I want to try a couch, a chair. I'm thinking I want something over here, but I was also contemplating vintage. I don't know. Nonetheless, let's talk about what I did get in this video. I got curtains for our guest bedroom. I had the curtains in there originally, then I got longer ones. They're not up yet, but once they are, I'll show you. Hopefully by the time this video goes up, because I'm wanting Scott to do that. So fingers crossed. I mean, could I do it? Yes. Should I do it? No. Okay, first, let's start with the things that I grabbed. So, something that are recent to them are these really cool belts, and their belts are incredible quality. I have a brown belt from there, just like a plain brown belt. And these are two that I've had on my wish list for a while, and they're always out of stock. I believe this is currently out of stock. This is the heaviest belt, it's heavy duty. This is like a solid metal. Like some of my cheapy belts are like cut out kind of like in the back. This is like incredible, incredible. Genuine leather, so good. One thing I will say about this, I don't know if this is why this is on the site or this is on the site or not on the site right now, is this. I did wear this yesterday all day and I got over it. It was not a big deal, but this part is almost slightly too big to fit through these. It's not like I can wiggle it in there and get it in there, but I kind of gotta work at it. And it's metal on metal, so it's not gonna get easier. But these move. So I am in love with this belt. This belt looks identical to the Madewell belt that I own, the dupe, if you will, the Target one back there. The quality is obviously not even close, but again, similar concept. But when they came out with the brown and the goldenness, I was like, yes, I love this sort of detail. I don't know, this is a heavy belt, you guys, heavy. I love this. I'm obsessed, so cute. And if you've never got one of the belts, they'll come in a nice little box with a dust bag. So just really cute. And the quality is I don't know how they do it. Incredible legs. Yes, love. I will say that's my only complaint, is that it you gotta wiggle it. You gotta hold these, and it's harder to get off than it is to get on. Yeah, so there's nothing I can really do about that. That's kind of, I would say, the most annoying part, but I do it anyways. So I don't know, that might just be a flaw of mine. If it comes back in stock, I'd probably exchange it and see if it still does it, but it's not in stock right now. And I love it. But if you've never checked out Quince, their return policy is, this sounds like a giant ad for them. It's not. Their return policy is incredible though. So next, this belt. I have a belt very similar to this from NAKD. It's brown with silver, and I knew I wanted a black with silver. I bought one from Target. I'm going to try to return it. I don't know if they'll let me because it doesn't have the tag on it. I cut the tag off. I'm gonna still try. I'm sure they will. It's just not, it missed the mark. Let me grab it really quick so I can show you. So looks similar. And listen, I don't have an issue with Target belts. I buy them often. The issue with this is it looks just a lot like the type of leather. I mean, this isn't leather, this is leather. Is very I don't like the look of that one as much, but this is my deal with this. There's no bedazzles, grommets, if you will, in the front of this belt. So when you're wearing it, you don't see any grommets, okay? Whereas this, very much like my NAKD one, has it all the way around, which can be really difficult with sizing, just so you're aware, getting this the right thing. So it might be slightly bigger or slightly tighter or whatever the case may be, but grommets all the way around. And these are very nicely done. This is like a really nice belt. And I love this little touch too. I don't think my NAKD one does have this. Hold on. Okay, apparently this is just a comparison video. So this is what I mean by the, you see how the belt is kind of like cut out? Don't get me wrong, I still love this belt. I also really like that there's like this tone situation. There is no metal on the back of this, and the grommets are just kind of in here, and this is a plastic belt. I still love it, but obviously the quality of this is 10 out of 10 and so fun. And I've already worn my brown belt so much that I could justify getting a nicer one in black. So I did, and I love it. Okay, next up, if you guys know anything about me, I've been on the hunt for these pants forever. I've wanted a pair of silk brown pants for probably 3 to 4 years now, and I just never found a pair that I like actually loved or was in my like price range where I was comfortable spending that much money on them. And they have had these teasing on their website for months, and I could just never find them in my size. Honestly, I think I might exchange for a small. I haven't decided yet, just because these are a medium and they're like, I think a little big. I would be curious to try the small now. But anyway, they're the fudge brown silk pants. I own these in all the colors, not all of them, but I want to own them in all of them. They just released a green too, which is stunning. They're so good. This brown is really a great brown too. It's a very dark, fudgy, chocolatey brown, if you will. Can you tell I'm hungry? Love. Yes, so happy that they have them, and I snatched them as soon as they were in my size on the website. And now I'm probably gonna go back and look for the small, and it's gonna be gone. So that's probably why I'll keep the medium, but nonetheless, I wanted it anyways. Next thing, this has been also out of stock, in and out of stock for a while now. And I was pleasantly surprised when I got this piece. I didn't know if I was gonna love it. I wanted to get it to try it and see, but I thought it was gonna be a stretchy denim, but it's not. It's a denim like chore jacket, if you will. Do I need something like this? No, but yes. No, I don't own something quite like this. I own a lot of denim shirts, and I own a denim jacket, but this is like a denim shirt jacket. Let me try and convince myself. This with a pair of white jeans, white shorts. So cute. Anyway, because I love the white piping around it. I love the pocket detailing. It's definitely a chore jacket, so it's longer. It's got a bit more structure, but I thought it was gonna be a stretchy denim, and it's not. And I love that. It's 100% organic cotton denim, and I like how this pocket is kind of like invisible, if you will. I mean, it's a pocket in the inside, which is a chore jacket, right? You're supposed to put like your eggs in there or something. I could put my herbs once that herb garden's back up and thriving. But yeah, I think it's really cool, fun, and I'm excited. Ooh, Nat. I'm excited to style the heck out of this. I think this is going to be so cute in the spring specifically. I'm in love. Okay, so yes, I know. Did I need it? Absolutely. Okay, and then the last two pieces are sweaters, because I'm always looking for sweaters. Okay, I like to have, I know this is extra, but this is what I do, and this is just who I am, and listen. Everybody's a little extra in some category or not in their life. I like to own a cotton sweater and then a nicer other sort of fabric sweater in the same color. I know. But my cotton sweaters, I feel like can't be dressed up as much as like a cashmere sweater can be. So I have a navy cotton sweater, and I feel like I needed a navy crew neck sweater in cashmere. I own this in the brown and the black. It's one of my favorite styles that they do. I grabbed this in a medium. I prefer the medium over the large in this because I knew I wanted to wear it more dressy, since I already do have the cotton version from Gap. I didn't need something super oversized because I wear that when I want it to be casual and oversized, but these sweaters are so nice. I wore this the other day, like after I tried it on from the video. Oh no, I wore this the other day. I have worn this though too, since I've shown you, or since I'm showing you now, but I love navy blue. By far my favorite color, and this cashmere like style is one of my favorite sweaters that they do. It's very just basic, very simple, but their cashmere is incredible quality for a fraction of the cost. Don't get me wrong, it's still not cheap, but it's really good. This is a sweater I wore all day the other day, and I loved it. I wore it exactly how I styled it in the video, with a white tee underneath it. This was something that I had been wanting, and I don't own anything in this blue, but I want more. But I loved this with a white tee underneath, layered with a white tee underneath. giving all my 90s dreams come true. I wore that with a pair of jeans and a belt, my brown belt, and it was so cute. I loved it. It was so comfy, and I do really like this. It's covered in dog hair because obviously I cuddled on the couch afterwards, and that's just what happens. But I love the like denim-y, it's got multiple like tones to it. It's very fuzzy. This is also Mongolian cashmere. I got it in a medium, and I love it. So that's it, you guys. Not a huge haul by any means. Short, simple, sweet. I mean, it's still not a small haul, but pieces that I've been wanting for a while, slash I just needed to jump on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will have all the details in the description box down below or on the YouTube shop button, whichever way you prefer to shop. But Quince always has my heart. And yeah, what else can I say? But if you see things on there, you have to jump on it pretty quick because they always do like sell out. But what I do love about it is it always comes back in stock. So that is it. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon. Bye.